new project. This is our new project using LDR, light dependent resistor, with resistor and the MOSFET 2N7000 and the LED output red. We're going to do what? We're going to turn on and off this LED using the LDR or this light sensor with the use of a supply 5 volts power bank and the cable. Let's connect the cable to the circuit. What happened to the circuit? Okay, now we're also going to use this USB. What's this? This is a charger, power bank, solar power bank, the flashlight of this solar power bank. When I turn off the light, so LED turns on. And then when there's a light into the LDR, it turns off, on, off, on. So when the LDR detects the light, it turns off the LED. So when there's no light to the LDR, it turns on the LED. Off, on, off, on. We have the figure 1. Automatic LED light using LDR and MOSFET. Or we're going to, we have this night lamp. That is the project. Night lamp. The lamp that turns on in the dark or while using this LDR and MOSFET. This is the MOSFET 2N7000 small signal MOSFET, and it has drain gate source. As if we have this pin out of the MOSFET, the source, which is the pin 1, pin 2 is the gate, pin 3 is the drain. That is the pin out of the MOSFET. Source, gate, drain. This is the actual MOSFET. Then, the MOSFET connected is the LDR. Light dependent resistor. Light dependent resistor, LDR. This is the symbol, and then connected to the 10K. What is the use of 10K here? That is the biasing resistor. We're using 5 volt supply. And the output here, we have the LED. This is the LED in modular form, or LED module. 470 ohms resistor. The resistor connected in series with the LED to protect the LED. The output from 5 volts to drain. That is the output of the MOSFET. And then the source is connected to the ground. Gate, drain, source. Gate, drain, source. How to turn on this LED? So initially, when light dependent resistor receives light. In our case, we're using the flashlight. So it produce a resistance. Less resistance. At least there is some sort of resistor connected to the gate to the source, between the gate to the source. Less resistance, causing to have this voltage divider. And it is not enough to turn on or to produce a voltage across gate to source to switch on this MOSFET. So because of the light, it produce a less resistance to the gate to the source, or this LDR has an equivalent resistance, or as if we have connect resistor from gate to the source. Because of the light, it will not switch on this MOSFET because of the less resistance or less value of resistor or resistance caused by the flashlight whenever it brighten this LED. But if we cover the LDR, this LDR will produce again a resistance, a high resistance to the gate to the source, causing it to have this biasing of transistor. It will produce enough voltage to switch on this gate to source. We call that dark resistance. Dark resistance. It will produce a certain, there is an equivalent resistor here, gate to source, once we cover the LDR, or LDR is in the dark. There is no flashlight here. Just an LDR. It will produce a dark resistance, which is enough to turn on this gate to source. Enough voltage to turn on this gate to source. When the voltage is enough to turn on this, when the resistance or this LDR is, there's a voltage here, enough to turn on this gate to source, current now flow from 5 volts to the resistor, then to the LED, then to the drain to the source, as it is shorting this path, drain to source, then to the ground. So it will turn on this LED because there is a voltage developed across the gate to source due to the dark resistance, or when we cover the LED, or the LDR is in the dark. That is why LED turns on, and it will turn off once it receives light here again. If this LDR receives a light, it will turn off this LED because there's a less resistance. If we cover the LDR again, or there's no light, it will produce a dark resistance, a high resistance to the gate to the source, which is enough to turn on. Again, if there's a light again, to the LED LDR, it will turn off. No light, turn on. With light, turn off.